is to proceed with the building of our website. So after saving your email, the database, and the password in a notepad, you actually want to come back here, and what you want to do once you get to the cPanel is to actually scroll down. You just scroll down and you click on File Manager. So this is File Manager right here. So I'm just going to click on File Manager right now. So once I click on File Manager, it's actually going to take us to the place whereby we can input our script and start editing our website. Okay, you can see this is our File Manager right here. Now, once you get here, you actually want to upload your PHP script. That is your code script. And where you want to upload your script is what's in this public HTML. You actually want to upload your script in this public HTML. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on public HTML right now. So you can see that right here, we have nothing. This directory is empty. So if you actually come here for the first time, if you find something right here, just leave it and go ahead and upload your script. But right now, there is nothing right here. So all we just have to do is to go ahead and upload our PHP script by clicking on this upload that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on that right now. So after clicking on that, to give us a page whereby we can actually upload this script. So what you want to do right now is zoom in a little. You want to go ahead and you want to click on select file right here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on select file. So once I click on select file, it's going to open up my file and tell me to choose the file I want. So I'm just going to choose my file right here. So I'm going to take my time. I'm going to choose the file I want to upload. So right here, I'm just going to locate where I saved the script. So I'm going to locate where I saved the script. So after doing that, I'm going to click on this drive. Then I'm going to choose my drive right here. So I choose my drive. So I'm just trying to locate where I put the script, though I know where I put the script, but I want this page load up. So after that, I'm going to click on this VTU script right here. Okay, so you can see it right here. This is my what? This is my script. This is the script right here. This one that says updated scripts is the script. Now, this is the SQL file. The SQL file is where all the details are stored, like the name, username, people that signs up to your account. So we are going to be uploading this SQL file to the database, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do that very soon. But for now, we actually want to upload this script. We just want to upload this script. So this updated script, we want to upload it to our dashboard. So all we just have to do is to go ahead and click on it. So once we click on it, that script will be uploaded to our website. So we just have to wait a little for the script to upload. Right now, we are just going to wait for this. You can see this one that is actually reading right here. This one that is reading. This one reading right here. So it is actually in 9% right now. So what we just have to do is to wait for it to get to 100%. So once it gets to 100%, once you see that it is green, it will get here and get to 100%. And you can see right here that the line is still blue. So once it gets to 100% and it is green, you can then click on this, but this go back to home that you're seeing right here. You can click on it and it will take you home for you to start editing your website. So you can see right here that our script has been uploaded. This is our script right here. Now this script is in a zip file. You can see that our file is in a zip file. So what we just have to do is to actually long press on the script. We just need to long press on the script so that we can actually unzip this file. So I'm just going to long press on this stick. Now you can see it right here. So what you just have to do next is to go ahead and click on this extract that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on extract so that we can actually extract this file right now. So once I click on extract, this our file will be extracted. You can see it right here. This is the name of the file and they are asking us to extract the file. So what you just have to do is to go ahead and click on this extract file that you are seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on extract file right now. So once I click on extract file, it's going to take some time, then it's going to extract all our file for us. Now our file has been extracted. So what you just need to do next is to go ahead and click on close. So I'm just going to click on close right now. So if I scroll up here and I zoom in a little, you see that all our file has been uploaded. Now for now, we don't actually need this updated script zip file because we've already gotten all the file that we need. So what we just need to do is to actually go ahead and delete that. So I'm just going to delete this. Okay, so we are just going to click on confirm right here to delete that. So you can see that we've actually deleted that right now. So the next thing we're actually going to do now is we actually want to connect our database to this website. We want to connect our database to our public HTML But first of all, we need to upload our SQL file because that is where all the data are stored. So we're actually going to go back to the cPanel. We're going to go back to our cPanel right here. So in the cPanel right here is where we are going to upload the SQL file. Now what you are going to look for once you get here is what's called the PHP My Admin. You are going to go down there. You are going to look for this PHP My Admin right here. So once you get there, you are just going to click on that. So I'm going to click on PHP My Admin. So it's going to load up and give us the page for us to upload our SQL file. So you can see this is the PHP My Admin. We just have to wait a little more. Okay, you can see it right here. Now if you zoom in like this, you are going to see that this is our uploaded, this is our database right here. This one right here is our database. This first one that you're seeing right here, this was the database that we actually created. So we just need to click on it. We just need to click on that because that is where we actually want to upload our SQL file. We want to upload the SQL file on the database that we created. So once you click on it, all you just have to do is to go ahead and click on this drop down that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So once I click on that, it's going to give me a list of options. Now you just have to go ahead and click on this import that you're seeing right here. You click on that import. So I'm going to click on import right now. So once I click on import, you can see that it has given me a space to actually upload our file. Okay, so you can see it right here. As I zoom in now, I'm going to zoom out. So once I zoom out now, this place that says choose file right here. This choose file right here, you are just going to click on that so that you can actually select the SQL file that you want to upload right here. So right now I'm just going to locate our file. We're just going to locate our SQL file the way we actually located our PHP script for our website. Now you can see that the page is already here. Now this one you are seeing right here, this one right here is actually our SQL file. So what you just need to do is you click on it, you select it, you click on it by selecting it. So I just click on that right now and I just selected our SQL file. So you can see it right here that our SQL file has been uploaded here. This is it right here. So what we just now is to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you are going to go ahead and you are going to click import. You are going to click on this import that you are seeing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to click on that import right now. So once I click on import, our SQL file would be saved immediately into our database. So you can see right here that our SQL file has been imported to our database, and these are all the details in our SQL file. These are all the details right here in our SQL file. So this is it. Now you are going to connect this database to our website so that all these details can be in our website so that people can actually log in, because it is this database that will make people to register, log in, and actually control their website. So we just need to upload this database into our website. So we need to connect it to our script. So what we just have to do right now is to come back here and we are going to click on this public HTML again, because right now we actually want to connect our database to our script right here. So you are just going to click on this public HTML again. So I'm going to click on that right now. So after clicking on that, it's going to give you a list of options. Now you actually don't want to select anything from this place. You don't want to select anything from this place. Why? If you are using a mobile setup, it is not going to click. But if you are using a desktop, you can actually select from there. But for you to actually select right here, all you just have to do is to click on this other option in the left hand side. So now we're actually going to connect our database to this, and for us to do this, we just have to go ahead and click on this core that you are seeing right here. So I'm going to click on core right now. So once I click on core, it's also going to give me the options that are available under the core right here. So you can see that we have a list of options right here. So what you just need to do next is to go ahead and click on models. Now everything that I'm showing you in this video, the step-by-step guide, you can actually get it, the step-by-step guide, the written step-by-step guide from the script, and if you follow it, you are also going to get all this process that I'm showing you in this video. So let us proceed. So I'm just going to click on models right now. So once I click on models, it's going to give me the options that are available right here. You can see that we have a lot of file right here that we can actually edit. So next you need to do is to go ahead and long press this model right here, or you just press it down. So I'm just going to press it down. So once I press it down, I'm going to come up right here. So once I come up right here, you're going to see where it says edit. So you are just going to click on this edit that you are seeing right here. You're going to click on this edit. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So once I click on that right now, it's going to actually ask us if we want to edit this file. So yes, I'm going to click on this edit button that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on that right now. So once I click on that, it's going to open a page whereby we can find the codes, that we can actually find the codes right here. So this is the place whereby we're actually going to change all the details right here. We're going to copy the database, the password from the notepad, and we are going to paste it right here. Now this is the database. You can see right here that we have the database right here and the password. Let me just zoom this in first to show you. Now this is the this is the database name. This is where we are going to be putting the database name, the username, and the password. And don't forget, the database name and the username are the same thing. Then for the email, that email that we actually created, we are going to be putting the email right here. You can see it right here. So we're going to be putting the email right here, the email and the email password. We're going to be putting it, and don't forget, all the passwords are the same thing. So I'm just going to do that right now. Then I'm going to show you. So if you check right here, you see that I've put in all the details, the database name, the email, and everything that I copied and saved in my clipboard. I've put in my email, my database, and the username right here. So you should also follow this process when you are actually setting up your own account. So after doing all this, what you just have to do is to go ahead and you save changes. So you are going to save this right here by clicking on this save changes that you are seeing right here. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to click on that right now. So after I click on save changes, this thing will be saved. So once it is saved like this, all you just have to do is to go back. You just have to go back to your to your file, to your file manager. So we're going to go back to our file manager. So we've actually edited that. So another thing you want to do again is you want to actually edit your name in the contract and all that. So what you need to do for that is to actually come back to public HTML right here. So you're just going to come back to public HTML. I'm going to go ahead, you're going to click on this public HTML right here. So I'm going to click on that right now. So once I click on that, it's going to come back here. Now I actually want to change the name to your own name. I want to change the name to your own name. If you check this is contract, index, and privacy policy. So we are going to edit those three. We are going to change the name for those three. So what you just need to do, you do the same again. You are going to click on this. So once you click on this, you are going to come up here. Once you come up here, then you are going to you are going to click on this edit that you are seeing right here. So I'm going to click on edit right now. So once I click on edit, it's going to ask us if we want to actually edit this thing. Then you go ahead and you click on edit again. So I'm going to click on that. So once I click on that, it's going to open the code for us to actually edit this. So if you check right here, you see that this is a whole lot of code. So we cannot actually be looking for everything just like that. Though you can take your time when you are building your website and make some kind of editing that you want to do for the website. So what we just need to do for us to find the name is to go ahead and we need to click on this search bar that you are seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So once I click on search bar, it's going to ask me to search for what I want to change. So what I just have to do is I'm just going to type in what I want to change right here, and I want to change budget for data. So you can see that we have about 6 budgets for data right here. So what I just need to do right here is to go ahead and click on this all. Okay, so once I click on all, it is going to show me everything that is in budget of data right here. But actually, we actually want to change the name right there. So what you just have to do right now is to go ahead and you just need to click on this plus icon that you are seeing right here. I'm going to click on this plus icon that you are seeing right here. So I'm just going to click on that right now. So once I click on that, it's going to ask me to write the one I actually want to replace it with. So I'm going to write it in here. I'm going to write it in here. Now I want to replace it with what? Bomb sub C, right? So I'm just going to write it right here. So after doing that, what you just need to do right next is to go ahead and click on this all that you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to click on all right now. So once I click on all, the name automatically will be changed. So you can see that the name automatically has been changed right now. So if you check right here, it was saying 6 when we had that budget of data, but if you check right here right now, it is 0. So everywhere we have budget for data has been changed to what? Dump sub C. So what you just have to do right here again is to what? Save this. You have to save this again. So for you to save this, you just have to do what you did for the first one by clicking on what? Save changes right here. So I'm just going to click on save changes right now. So once I click on save changes, it would be what? It will be saved immediately. So what you just did here, you are going to go back. So once you go back right here, what you just did right now for this contacts, you're also going to do it for what? For index and privacy policy. You're going to go there, put it in search bar, budget for data, then change it to the name of your website. So that is how easy this is. So you can follow this process and do it for index and also privacy policy. So the next thing we want to do, we actually want to change the name of our website. So we want to change the name of the website right now. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do that right now. So right now we actually